We'll guide you through how to download Minecraft Bedrock on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Minecraft Bedrock is one of the different versions of Minecraft. On a computer, you can play Minecraft Java or Bedrock. If you play Bedrock, it means you can then go and play cross-platform with other different devices, like mobile, for example. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and get it. Make sure these full guides you know exactly how. So it is important to note that this is a paid game. So therefore that you are going to go and need to go and purchase it. We'll guide you through this, but it is important to note that. So what we can do is there are different ways you can go about this as well, and we're going to guide you through the options you've got. So for the first way, you can go and open up a web browser of your choice. Now what you need to do is go and type in Minecraft like so, and you need to make sure you come to the official site, which is minecraft.net. Come to it. Now, what you want to do is you may need to scroll down a little bit to go and see the options, and you can then go and see games at the top, which you can then go and click on. Come over to the right and you can go and find the option Buy Minecraft. Go away and here we are. It says Minecraft Java and Bedrock. So when you go and buy them, we actually go and get them together. So you can go and get the deluxe you want, but if you want to have a bit of a cheaper price, you can come for the standard, but you don't get the things that come in deluxe. And you can see here and here we get Minecraft Bedrock, Java, and the launcher. So you can select it and go and press checkout. You can then go and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you still click there and you can go and create one, and you then go and get it linked to your Microsoft account. Really useful, and you'll then need to go and sign into the launcher as well with it once we go and get it downloaded. So go and purchase it. I already have. And after you've purchased it, you can go and scroll to the bottom here into the footer all the way down into support and find download. Then you can go and find already own Minecraft for PCs, you just purchased it, and press download for Windows, and it will then go and download as you can see. So now you've gone and got the installer on your computer. What you can do is you can go and open up your file explorer, press downloads to the left, and you can go and find the Minecraft installer.exe and double click on it. It will then go and run. And as you can see, it does say before installing this version of Minecraft Launcher, make sure you're logged into the Windows Store by clicking the link below. So you can click here. The store is going to open up, and I am already logged in. This is the account my Minecraft's on. But you can always go and click it in the top right, and that is it. If it isn't, you can go and press sign out here and go and sign into the one that you went and bought Minecraft on. So that's correct. Then you can go and press install, and we can go and wait. It says Windows is updating, and shortly it's going to go and begin installing. So go and be patient. Go and press let's go, and you can go and see the Minecraft launcher is now updating. So go and be patient while this goes and completes. Now, what you want to do is come to the left and select Minecraft Bedrock Edition, and you can go and find the latest release to the left here, and you can go and press install. Confirm where you want it to be installed and press install, and now it's going to go and download. It's about 1.5 gigabytes, so go and be patient. In the meantime, alternatively, you can go and get Minecraft Bedrock Edition using the Microsoft Store. So what you can do is go and press search at the bottom, and you can go and type install or Microsoft Store and click on it to open it up. Then you can come to the top here and you can go and type in Minecraft and go and wait, and then here it is. So what you can then do is you can go and click on this here. So this here, mine says play as I already own it and I'm on the Microsoft account which owns it. But if you don't own it, you can go and purchase it within the store. So you can go and press on the purchase button and go and get it. Then you can go and click play and the launcher will open up as I currently have. You also have the launcher here, which you can go and click on, and you can go and install this. Of course, in order to use this, you do still need to go and own it, and you need to go and sign in the launcher with your Microsoft account where you go and own Minecraft. And then after you've done that, you'll be here. You can come to the left into Bedrock Edition, and you can go and press install and wait. When it's finished, it'll go and change to play, which we can then go and click on. I've had a security pop up and I'll press yes, and we'll just go and wait for this to go and install. And now Minecraft Bedrock, or also known as Minecraft for Windows, is now opening up. And as you can see, we can now go and play. So we can go and press play here, and we can go and create a new world and go and get playing.